Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking MIUI version and making a quick backup. This prevents data loss. Next, go to Settings and enable developer options so you can access deeper controls. Once done, toggle USB debugging only if you plan to use ADB. You don't need it for basic steps. Also, make sure you're signed into your My account and jot down the apps you want to keep, because you'll be disabling or changing system ad settings next. Now you remove ads by disabling recommendations across system apps. Go to Settings and turn off personalized ad recommendations first. Then open system apps like Security, Browser, and Themes, and find the Show Recommendations or Promoted Content toggles. Switch them off. You should also clear cache and restrict background data for apps that still push promos. If an app insists on ads, force stop and uninstall. Finish by removing persistent ad modules. For non-removable packages, either uninstall updates and disable the app, or use ADB uninstall commands if you're comfortable with a computer. Once complete, reboot the phone and test common workflows to confirm ads are gone. If something breaks, restore your backup or re-enable the app. A key troubleshooting tip: if ads reappear after an update, disable auto-update for that app and repeat the disable/uninstall updates process to prevent the ad component from returning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.